Whether you're thinking about replacing your entire home's siding or painting the interior, any home remodeling project is a big investment. The biggest question you may have is, should I choose the least expensive option or go with the more expensive one? In this video, we will outline 3 common reasons when you should choose the least expensive contractor for your project. And by the end, you will have clarity when it comes to choosing the right contractor that will fit your budget and meet your needs for your project. Hi, I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Choosing the right contractor for your project is important to overall success. No one ever wants to pay more than they need for their home remodeling projects. It's important to understand that cost and quality have a direct relationship. If you aren't looking for a long-term solution for your home remodeling project, then choosing the least expensive contractor makes sense. But what are some specific instances where you may want to choose the least expensive contractor? Let's take a look. First, you're a house flipper. If you want to replace the old and worn windows in a fixer-upper home, you don't really care how long they will last, right? The least expensive contractor is going to carry the least expensive products on the market and installs them to the quality of what they are paid. Does this mean that every less expensive contractor doesn't provide a quality installation? No. There are many affordable home remodeling contractors that can provide you with a proper installation. However, it most likely will not last forever. Second, you're a short-term homeowner, only looking to live in a home for maybe 5 years or less. If this is the case, you will most likely not care about how well the products you've purchased for your project will hold up in the future. You probably don't want to waste your money paying for the best products and installation when longevity is not that big of a concern to you. Third, you're looking to provide some curb appeal to your home before selling it. Renovating an older portion of your home can give it a shiny and new look that may increase its curb appeal and help draw in potential buyers. Just like with the house flipper and short-term homeowner, if you are just looking to give your home some extra shine before putting it on the market, you probably aren't that concerned with the quality or longevity of the product. Why choosing the least expensive contractor may be the right choice for you. Now that you know 3 of the most common instances where you might want to choose the least expensive contractor, now the least expensive contractor will provide you with a quick, cheap fix to your problem. But you cannot expect it to be of the highest quality. This is important to remember when creating your goals and having realistic expectations for the outcome of your project and your home. If you need any help creating goals for your home renovation project, be sure to check out the link in the description below for an article that outlines 7 steps to help you get started on your home remodeling project. You'll then be able to outline your goals, set the right budget, and find the right contractor for your project. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want to give you the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.